you'll be in big trouble.
Yes.
And walked on it. That looks so cool.
Absolutely not.
It looks so cool. Doesn't it look cool the way they're lined up and how many there are?
It does.
I want to touch it. I want to touch it. Whoa, a lot of Ikea.
Guys, she's still currently here, and today we're gonna be going inside an Ikea. So yeah, let's get started. Got there. Yeah, different sports. What about your gaming mouse? Where's the computer itself?
My computer's not on right now.
I can see that. I can dead ass see that different sports. What is this? It's not even real.
Don't touch my computer.
It's not even real.
Yeah, we're at Ikea.
I know where Ikea different sports. Your new computer.
Here's the real computer. Where's Mom?
This side is my computer. See, look.
Hey, we're close to each other. Hi.
Hey-oh.
You don't have the real keyboard. I have the real keyboard.
But you don't have the real monitor.
And I don't have a mouse.
I do.
No.
Yes.
You literally don't have a real keyboard. It's not even close to me. Tommy, do you have clients?
No.
Clients?
Different sports.
This-
Okay, where we're going.
I didn't know what. Oh my gosh, someone wrote on them.
What they write?
They wrote the letters, but it's not good handwriting. I didn't know what. Oh my gosh, someone wrote on them.
What they write?
They wrote the letters, but it's not good handwriting.
Oh, really?
And you like it?
No, we don't. No, we don't. We had different sports.
Chicken soup. Hey.
Yeah, chicken. Uh-oh, different sports.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. It says for safety. And here's my phone.
No, it looks ugly and disgusting.
Pretty.
Pretty ugly and disgusting.
My bed.
Well, at least sit on them, probably, yeah.
I can't get on this bed.
What about this bed?
I can't get on there.
Jump.
No, I'm not. Come on. Take like 10 minutes of my life trying to get on the bed. It's my drawer.
Yeah. Ugly and disgusting. Wait, whoa. That's a high class watch right there.
Where? Thank you. Tommy, don't touch. Tommy's touch.
It really suits you.
I thought you go inside. Thank you. And
It looks like your natural habitat.
thank
You
you.
can find a natural different sports. Ikea.
We're not in Ikea.
Yeah, we get Ikea. You gotta pour your plants. You gotta
Kitchen chores this week.
it's different sports. Run inside the aisles and do random things. Give us a tour of this Ikea.
Some water.
Let's get a tour of Ikea.
You mean our house? This time I won't.
No.
Oh, wait. Ow. In between of both of them.
Different sports in here. Do a field test of these pillows.
Hard attack.
And say which ones you like the best.
Hard.
Which ones you like the best? The hard ones or the soft ones?
Probably this one is the best.
Yeah. Not too squishy, not too hard.
These are nice too. Oh, okay, look.
Here's your bathroom.
Oh, wow. This makeup.
Don't break it.
Wait. The towels. There's my closet of towels and hairbrushes.
I think we can get Daddy a rock.
Yeah, I'd do him. No. Oh my gosh.
Yes, Seven Sports.
Causing public disturbance.
Aren't we all? Doesn't every YouTuber go inside of stores and make public disturbance?
Yeah. My carpet. That my carpet.
Me outside.
I for Christmas and all through the time. Oh, I'm a cow.
It's a
Oh
cow.
my gosh, it feels like a cow.
It is a cow.
That literally feels
It smells like a cow.
Holy shoot, that smells like a cow.
Well, let's get out of here then.
Smells like grass.
Are you grass?
I'm not good.
Wait, what did you say?
I'm poop.
Oh, I recorded that.
I'm gonna take everything and do something with it.
You have to make music with it. Doing sports. Yeah. Your hand. Hey, what is this?
Oh, I know. I'm disgusted. Ready for school, Mom?
No, you're not.
We don't have school today.
Who's ever ready for school?
It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day.
Yeah.
That's long to say. It's hot in here. That's why I rated it bad.
No. Show all the colors.
Okay, I'll go to my showroom.
That's the second floor. Look.
Tommy, you're showing off lights.
I know.
Tommy, in my showroom, Tommy, look.
I'll come back. Different sports. We lost different sports. That was you?
I hit into it. Oops. Can you scoot that one over? Can you scoot that one over?
No.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's heavy.
Just leave it. Just leave it. Run
Wanna leave it?
before the Ikea workers notice. Because there were workers behind. She said we can meet her later. We need to cause more literal public disturbance in an IKEA for YouTube content.
We're probably gonna get kicked out.
Probably not. Well, it's not like we're making forts. We're literally just recording up in an IKEA.
And maybe we knocked down something, but
Yeah.
hey, we tried to get them back up.
They can pick
We
it up.
tried. We couldn't even. We're kids. We
Hey,
couldn't get
look,
them up.
it's a rainforest. Get in the rainforest. What are you gonna do in the rainforest? Your natural habitat doing sports. Okay, we're gonna run up and down through these aisles.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
No, ow.
They're in sports. They're in sports. What's over here? What's underneath here? Go underneath.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
So? Dr. Caroline.
Wait, ready?
Ready? Yeah.
Turn on.
No, I'll be a lookout. I'll meet you around. Wait, what? In here. Underneath. Underneath. And not that one because there's too many people. This one. Yeah. No, all the way down to the closed spot.
No.
Fine. This one then. This aisle.
Me on this side.
Yeah. A few more. Okay, come on. Right inside of here. Right inside here. Can you make it through? I'll meet you to the other side. They're in sports. Well, let's walk to the Ikea even more. For the Ikea video.
No, I want to go back to Mom. I don't
We're gonna
wanna get
find
in
Mom.
trouble.
No, we're good. You like it?
Is that sparkling cider? Here, taste it.
Give me a cup.
And then, we got more than one.
Is that, are we allowed to?
No, let me get one. You have one?
I don't like this.
Oh, okay. 'Cause I was just gonna say, don't use.
That's gonna be it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.